This next model that we're about to take a look at from BrassTrains.com is item number 067174. It's an HO scale model from Overland Models, built in Korea. This OMI is a Milwaukee Road EP-1 electric streamlined passenger unit model. It has a very nice custom paint job on it. Both units are powered, and it has had window glazing installed. And now we're about to demonstrate how it runs. This model, once again, is on BrassTrains.com and is item number 067174.